Handling maintenance requests efficiently is crucial for maintaining tenant satisfaction and preserving the value of your rental property. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we understand the importance of streamlining this process to ensure prompt resolution of maintenance issues. Here's how you can efficiently handle maintenance requests. Firstly, it's essential to establish clear communication channels for tenants to submit maintenance requests. Whether it's through an online portal, email, or phone, providing multiple options ensures accessibility for all tenants and encourages timely reporting of issues. Once a maintenance request is received, our team promptly acknowledges receipt and assesses the urgency of the issue. Urgent matters, such as a plumbing leak or heating malfunction, are prioritized and addressed immediately to prevent further damage and inconvenience to tenants. For non-urgent requests, we schedule maintenance appointments in a timely manner, taking into account both tenant availability and vendor availability. This proactive approach helps minimize disruption to tenants' daily routines while ensuring that maintenance issues are addressed promptly. Additionally, we leverage technology to streamline the maintenance process further. Our property management software allows us to track and manage maintenance requests efficiently, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Automated reminders and notifications keep both tenants and vendors informed throughout the process, reducing the likelihood of miscommunication or delays. Furthermore, we prioritize preventive maintenance to proactively address potential issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Regular inspections and maintenance checks help identify minor issues early on, preventing them from turning into larger, more expensive problems down the line. By implementing these strategies, we can effectively handle maintenance requests while minimizing disruption to tenants and protecting the value of your investment property. Our goal at Alpine Property Management Kansas City is to provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your property is in capable hands. Now let's look at our approach to handling maintenance requests efficiently. We delve into the importance of communication and accountability. Clear communication is key throughout the maintenance process. After receiving a maintenance request, our team promptly communicates with the tenant to confirm receipt and provide an estimated timeline for resolution. Keeping tenants informed every step of the way helps manage expectations and fosters trust in our property management services. Moreover, we prioritize accountability by ensuring that all maintenance tasks are completed to the highest standards. Our network of trusted vendors and contractors undergoes rigorous screening and vetting processes to ensure they deliver quality workmanship and adhere to agreed-upon timelines. Additionally, we conduct follow-up inspections after maintenance work is completed to verify that the issue has been resolved satisfactorily. This commitment to quality assurance ensures that maintenance requests are not only addressed promptly, but also resolved effectively the first time. Furthermore, we believe in transparency when it comes to maintenance expenses. Our detailed reporting systems provide landlords with visibility into all maintenance-related costs, allowing for informed decision-making and budgeting. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we take a proactive approach to maintenance management, anticipating potential issues before they arise and addressing them promptly to minimize tenant inconvenience and property damage. By implementing these strategies, we aim to create a seamless maintenance experience for both landlords and tenants, ensuring that rental properties are well maintained and tenants are satisfied with their living conditions. Efficient maintenance request handling is essential for maintaining tenant satisfaction, preserving property value, and ensuring a positive rental experience for all parties involved. Partnering with Alpine Property Management Kansas City gives you the peace of mind knowing that your investment property is in capable hands. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable property management tips and insights. Thank you for watching. And remember, when it comes to property management, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help you every step of the way.